Planning your Thanksgiving feast? Let's make sure your turkey thawing is safe, easy, and follows the FDA Food Code. Because the only thing you want to share at Thanksgiving is good food and great memories, not foodborne illness. Raw poultry can carry harmful bacteria like Salmonella and Campylobacter. When thawing is done incorrectly, bacteria can multiply rapidly in the danger zone between 41 and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. The FDA Food Code gives 4 safe ways to thaw your turkey, and we'll walk you through each step. Before you begin, choose one safe thawing method. Know how long your turkey needs to thaw, and prevent cross-contamination. Always keep raw turkey away from ready-to-eat foods, and sanitize surfaces after handling. Method 1, and the safest option, is thawing in the refrigerator. Keep your refrigerator at or below 41 degrees Fahrenheit, or 5 degrees Celsius. Place the turkey breast side up on a tray on the bottom shelf. Allow 24 hours for every 4 to 5 pounds of turkey. Need to thaw faster? Use cold running water. Keep the turkey sealed in its original wrapping. Submerge completely under cold running water at 70 degrees or below. Plan for 30 minutes per pound and rotate the turkey occasionally. When finished, cook immediately. Do not return to the refrigerator unless the turkey stayed below 41 degrees the entire time. Microwave thawing works in a pinch, but you must cook the turkey right away. Follow your microwave manual, remove all packaging and metal clips, and rotate as needed. As soon as thawing ends, begin cooking. The last approved method, start cooking while frozen. It will take about 50% longer, but it's completely safe. Use a thermometer and cook to 165 degrees in the thickest parts: breast, thigh, and wing joint. Quick timing guide: refrigerator, about 1 day for every 4 or 5 pounds. Cold water, 30 minutes per pound. Choose your method based on your turkey size and schedule. Never thaw your turkey on the counter. Never leave it sitting in warm water. Those methods allow bacteria to multiply fast. And always wash and sanitize surfaces after handling raw poultry. After thawing, keep your turkey refrigerated and cook within 1 to 2 days. For cold water or microwave thawing, cook immediately. And for best safety and quality, prepare stuffing separately. Thawing safely keeps your family healthy and your holiday memorable. Want expert-led food safety training for your kitchen or business? Visit onfocussolutions.com for courses, tips, and certification options.